This stone can cut your hand without you even realizing it. This is obsidian, a natural volcanic glass formed from molten lava. In ancient times, obsidian was used to make weapons for war. Blades made from this material are incredibly sharp. When obsidian fractures, its edges can become as thin as a molecule, reaching the nanoscale, far smoother than a strand of human hair. Because of its extreme sharpness, some surgeons choose obsidian blades. They can produce highly precise incisions, and cuts made with obsidian are believed to heal faster than those made with conventional steel scalpels.